Hey everyone. So I hope that every one of you are doing good. So मैंने सेशन का लिंक तो ओपन कर लिया है. ठीक है, आई हैव ओपन द सेशन लिंक. Today we are going to have thank you. So sure. Today we are going to have our day 6 of C++ programming. So today is a day then that we are going to learn about today we are 6 of C++ programming. ठीक है, अभी सब शांत हो गया है. मोबाइल में बेसिकली चल रहा था. आई वाज सीइंग माई सेल्फ इन मोबाइल. सो राइट नाउ आई हैव गॉट done with yesterday we were done with object oriented programming. Okay, so as we have completed object oriented programming, at least I'll say basics and all. Today we have to understand. आज मैंने yesterday only I said that I am not going to end our classes today. I will take one more day. So tomorrow also there is gonna be a class. So tomorrow we will probably build our project. Not probably, we'll build our project tomorrow. That is Candy Crush and all. Today it is like to revise one more time. What is object oriented programming? Object oriented programming है क्या, वो अपने को पूरा पढ़ना है आज. And the second thing which we have today to complete is few concepts like inheritance, few concepts like polymorphism. So these are the two various things that we wanted to complete today. That is the reason what we are looking forward to. ओके डन. सो आज का एजेंडा क्या? आज का एजेंडा है कि ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग के अंदर जो डीप टॉपिक्स हैं उसको समझना, उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं. वी आर डन विद दैट, वी आर डन विद एवरीथिंग. ओके, फॉर टुडे. क्लियर है? सॉर्टेड है? सो प्लीज टेल मी इन द चैट इफ यू गाइज आर क्लियर अबाउट इट राइट नाउ, येस और नो. सो समझ गया ना आज का क्या टू डू? आज का टू डू क्या है? आज का टू डू ये है कि भाई अपने को ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग का सीखना है. सो चलो let me just go and share my screen and also ripple it. Just give me 1 minute. I'm opening up everything in the right place. और क्या है यार? और कुछ है क्या? और कुछ नहीं है. हाँ, मुझे आज सफारी का ज़रूरत पड़ेगा. ओके, access specify. Yesterday we have, okay fine, let me just open this. Yesterday we have completed till what all stuff. कल अपन ने कहाँ तक ख़त्म किया है? कल अपन ने जो ख़त्म किया है, yesterday we have seen what is object oriented programming. So object oriented programming is basically when you want to have context in your particular programming thing. जब भी आपको context चाहिए होता है programming के अंदर, वहाँ पे आप object oriented programming use करते हो. Okay, number one thing, foremost. The second thing which we have in our life yesterday, like why we have object oriented programming, because अपने को code reuse हो सकता है. We can reuse our code and we can also execute it with lot of context in our mind that okay we are talking about certain object. अपन किसी object के बारे में अगर बात कर रहे हैं तो अपन वो object को दिमाग में रख के अपन सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. So that is the basis, that is the particular basis of how we guys look for object oriented programming. So these are certain features जो object oriented programming के थे जो अपन ने कल सीख लिया था. Yesterday we have completed all of these. Now ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग को अचीव करने के लिए, टू अचीव ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग इन आवर लाइफ, व्हाट वी डू, वी हैव समथिंग लाइक क्लास अपनी ज़िंदगी में है. So you have got a class and you have got for using one class you can create multiple objects. ये अपन ने कल सीख लिया था. Yesterday we have completed this. Then afterwards we have completed class methods. Okay, so once you can create okay, it's still work in progress, just give me 1 minute, it's loading. So yesterday what all things we have completed? We have completed that, okay, we will create a class known as car, C-A-R, car, and after using that particular car wala attributes, that is model, name and brand, we have created a constructor. So what is a constructor? Constructor is something that by default the values will be initiated, or like by default values निके लग जाएंगे इसके अंदर. That is constructor. And you can have two different kinds of constructors. One of the constructor is by default constructor without any values. The other constructor is something in which you're gonna use like you are gonna send certain parameters. Using that parameters, the values will be getting associated. Okay, clear? That's one. Now then we have created various method. Now what are methods? Methods are methods are nothing just but class के अंदर के functions. When you write functions inside a particular class, those are known as methods. So here I have got first method in which this method is written to print all the details of a particular class. If you want to specifically set name, set model, set brand, you can do it. Now we have also got set all details. So we have got model, name, brand, and you can set all the details together also if you want to update everything together. So we have defined a particular object, then the other object, okay, then the third object. So using constructor only, it was working all fine. Okay, now let's run it and let's see what's the output. Okay, this is the output. Clear? So this is what we have done yesterday. ठीक है, याद है सबको? हाँ या ना? So do you guys remember what is being done on the screen right now? समझ में आ रहा है ना? Every one of you. So please tell me in the chat if you guys remember this, yes or no. Medankar is there. Wow, yeah, good, very nice that you are here already. चलो ठीक है, fine. So let's take the same class wala thing and let's go one step ahead. Okay, I want to teach you guys inheritance first and foremost thing. What do you mean by inheritance in your life? Okay, what do you mean by inheritance in your life? Inheritance normally in our life is normally it means someone has inherited some characteristic from his or her parent. Okay, मम्मी पापा से यार मैं मम्मी पापा की तरह दिखता हूँ तो मेरा inheritance हुआ character का. Or else like it can be I have inherited some property. Okay, property in terms of कि कुछ जमीन जायदाद मेरे नाम हो गई है. That is second. Third, inheritance is possibly habits. ठीक है, I have inherited certain habits from my mom, dad. Okay, so that is also that's also possible that I have inherited. So these inheritance are done from parent class to the child class. These two things are also known as parent class is known as base class in C++ programming, and derived class is known as a child class is known as derived class. Okay, derived class is a class basically which is inheriting the property. So if you are a kid and your mom, dad are the base class, you are the derived class. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, clear है ना? Sure. So ये कार वाला एग्जाम्पल जो है इन्होंने किया, ठीक है. सो इन्होंने क्या किया कि वी विल द बेस क्लास इज व्हीकल. ओके, इन्होंने एक और क्लास बनाया व्हीकल नाम का, एंड व्हीकल नाम के क्लास के अंदर दीज गाइज हैव डिफाइंड स्ट्रिंग ब्रांड फोर्ड. ओके, फोर्ड, and honk is like toot. Okay, it's like how inheritance happens in C++. C++ में inheritance कैसे होता है. So I will write this code. You don't have to worry about it, but what I'm trying to show you is okay, how a vehicle is there and how cars can inherit certain properties from vehicle wala class. We will use this vehicle wala class, and we will also we will build car, but we will also build bike, we will also build aeroplane, few other classes in and around it. Okay, clear, sorted? So please tell me in the chat if you guys are clear about it. सब लोग हो मेरे साथ, yes or no? Okay, so please tell me in the chat if you guys are with me, yes or no. So Hana, so let's just go ahead and start building the class. Let's see what they have done. हाँ, ये तो पूरा चल रहा है, ठीक है, समझा मुझे. ये रहा ना. Okay, so I'll create one more C++ का ripple. कल का अगर लिंक किसी के पास होगा तो why should I take chance? So I'm creating using namespace std main block, ठीक है. So ये क्या आया भाई? ओके, ये कुछ तो आया है चैट में, यूट्यूब चैट में. ओनली द व्हाट इज दिस, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम टू जॉइन एंड मनी यू will anyone will find great content over YouTube which is really far. After making all the attendance today, percentage is not crossing 90%. Why, Mohammed? Okay, fine, ठीक है, we'll do that, but only the क्या problem है भाई? कुछ हुआ है क्या? So do you have any problem? If you have any problem, please write to me on this. I am very super reachable. Okay, so tell me what's your problem, I'll solve it. Sayat LetsUpgrade.in. So this is my email ID. Please go ahead. Okay, just go ahead and write to me and I'll solve it. So I hope that you are clear about it. At only the Sayat LetsUpgrade.in. ठीक है, फाइन. चलो लेट्स गो अहेड एक स्टेप आगे जाते हैं, ठीक है. सो वी हैव गॉट वन पर्टिकुलर object, one particular class. Let's create one class that is vehicle. Okay, vehicle. इसके अंदर let's take public वाले थोड़े attributes. Public वाले attributes, brand is the only public attribute, I think. String brand, ठीक है, one attribute. And one more attribute is like, I think, type of कार. और क्या हो सकता है व्हीकल में, मतलब बाइक और कार में क्या कॉमन है? व्हाट इज कॉमन इन बिटवीन बाइक एंड कार? What is common in between bike and car? So please tell me in the chat. I'm looking forward to your answers. Okay, say hey, everyone is asking that how to actually download certificate and all. I was thinking that you guys can download the certificate tomorrow after tomorrow's class, but if you guys force me that hey, I want to download the class, I want to download the certificate today itself, if you are like that, so maybe I'll ask the team to unlock the certificate. Okay, you can unlock the certificate, but still tomorrow you guys can join the class. Okay, I'll ask the team to do it. Okay, so yes, you guys are answering good. So you are like, how many tires are there? What's the engine cc? Yep, engine. Okay, engine cc, okay, cubic capacity and all this. And let's create one simple function, void, okay, void get all details, okay, get all details. And now in this, let's just go ahead and write down cout endl, okay, endl brand equal to brand. Same thing goes for done, okay. Now this is also done, okay. So we have created one small class, अपन ने एक छोटा सा class बनाया, okay, clear है. I can use this particular class to call anything. So अपन एक class का थोड़ा use करके कुछ बनाते हैं, रुको चलो. So vehicle v1, okay, constructor तो by default में कुछ भी नहीं है, तो maybe I'll make a constructor also. I'll make a constructor too. How we can define a constructor? Class का नाम is the direct name of the constructor. So constructor will have brand, constructor will have engine cc strng string int brand equal to this dot. ये मैंने कल नहीं सिखाया तुमको. What is this? Please tell me in the chat. And engine cc equal to this dot engine cc. What is this? Now tell me. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है? Okay, so what is the meaning of this dot? This is basically this. So if you guys are getting confused, I'll remove it, but maybe if any one of you knows, so please tell me in the chat. Okay, so if I am creating one with details, I should have one without details. Okay, so okay, let's just run this right now. Okay, so v1 के अंदर ना मैं तुम्हें एक डिटेल दे रहा हूँ. One detail is okay, hero splendor splendor. Oh sorry, engine capacity ना, hero 150. क्या यार, है तो सही. ब्रांड और इंटीजर ना, double quotes, not single quotes. Okay, let's run. Okay, it's running properly. Now I want to do what? I want to do v1 dot get all details. So let's see if it runs. Okay, oh shit, this is not getting captured. इसका मतलब क्या है? एक मिनट यार, क्या मैं कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ किसी और चीज से? I think I'm right. When see, this is a local variable and this is a global variable. When you have both the things, right? So you define the scope with the help of this keyword. हाँ सो यस, हाँ सही था, मैं उल्टा लिख दिया था. सो दिस डॉट ब्रांड इज बेसिकली अ ग्लोबल वेरिएबल. जब तुम दिस डॉट ब्रांड करते हो तो वो ग्लोबल वेरिएबल है. एंड व्हेन यू डू दिस डॉट इंजन सीसी, दिस विल कॉल दिस इंजन सीसी, एंड ये पर्टिकुलर इंजन सीसी ये रहा. ठीक है, ये ब्रांड ये रहा. So let's consider like this brand as a local brand. This is a global brand. So global variable, local variable. So this is one of the sir this का specific use case क्या है? This का specific use case ये है जब आप local variable के radius के अंदर you want to call a global variable. Global variable is brand. Okay. सो ये लोकल वेरिएबल है ब्रांड. सो ये ब्रांड के एरिया में, ये ब्रांड का एरिया क्या है, ये वाले ब्रांड का एरिया क्या है, ये एरिया. इस एरिया के अंदर जब आप बड़े वाले एरिया वाली चीज को बुलाना चाहते हो, दैट टाइम यू यूज दिस. सो इट्स लाइक बेसिकली नियर योर हाउस, और अपने घर के आजू बाजू कहीं तो पीएम मोदी के ना, लाइक नॉट पीएम मोदी, अमित के नाम पे कोई ना कोई तो होंगे, राइट. अमित, लेट्स से नरेंद्र के नाम से कोई तो कोई होंगे, नरेंद्र के नाम से मिस्टर नरेंद्र, समवन विल बी देयर, अपने रिश्तेदारों में कहीं ना कहीं होंगे, वो लोकल अपने रीच में है नरेंद्र. देन देयर इज प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी सर. ओके, सो नरेंद्र नेम इज सेम, बट whom are you referring to is the difference. So ये वाला brand is local brand, local variable brand. This brand वाला जो attribute है, this is global level brand. Are you guys clear about it? Clear about it? Engine CC, this is global. जिसके सामने भी this लगा होता है वो होता है global, and ये होता है local. Clear है? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? अगर नहीं आया तो सीधे सीधे ना बोलो. Okay, fine. ठीक है. So I hope you guys are clear. Now let's just go ahead and create one more class. Okay, this is vehicle class that we have. Let's create car wala class. Okay, car class car. Okay, class car is, now let's take a small reference. That see here you have got vehicle. ठीक है, आपको पहले समझा देता हूँ कोडिंग के पहले. तो व्हीकल है, व्हीकल को इन्होंने इनहेरिट करने के लिए चाइल्ड क्लास, कार इज अ चाइल्ड क्लास. सो कार वी आर क्रिएटिंग, इट्स अ चाइल्ड क्लास. फॉर इनहेरिटिंग दिस पैरेंट क्लास विच इज व्हीकल, सो इनहेरिटिंग व्हीकल विच इज अ पैरेंट क्लास, व्हाट वी विल डू, वी हैव टू राइट इट डाउन लाइक दिस. नाउ ये पब्लिक क्या है, पब्लिक प्रोटेक्टेड क्या चीज है, कल अपन ने ऑलरेडी सीखा, vehicle. Okay, as soon as you do this, public के अंदर, मैं public protected private के बारे में अभी बात नहीं करने वाला. We'll talk about it. You guys can talk about it in the chat. I don't want to confuse people right now. You can read about it. But by the way, let's get to the work. तो पब्लिक वाला जो पब्लिक व्हीकल जो है वो इनहेरिट हो रहा है कार वाले इसके अंदर. ओके, सो नाउ कार के अंदर क्या और स्पेसिफिक चीजें हैं, कार के स्पेसिफिक चीजें क्या है, कार का स्पेसिफिक चीज है हाउ मेनी एयरबैग्स, राइट, इंट एयरबैग्स, मिनिमम 4 एयरबैग तो होते ही हैं. ठीक है, एक और क्या होता है कार के, व्हाट इज दैट रिलेटेड टू कार दैट वी कैन टॉक अबाउट. Let's take a small example. He's like model. ठीक है, अपन ने ऊपर ब्रांड और इंजन लिखा है ना, वी हैव नॉट रिटन डाउन मॉडल और एनीथिंग. सो लेट्स डिफाइन दैट ऑल इन आवर बेस, सॉरी डिराइव्ड क्लास. सो लेट्स राइट डाउन स्ट्रिंग मॉडल, स्ट्रिंग नहीं, लेट्स से इंट मेकिंग ईयर. ओके, these all. Now how to define a constructor? You know how to define a constructor, but we will not define any constructor. Okay, now we will just do get void get all details. Okay, we'll just do get all details. अभी get all details के अंदर क्या करेंगे अपन, सी आउट, ठीक है, सी आउट, वी हैव दिस, पहले कुछ नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है, लेट्स नॉट डू एनीथिंग, आई विल कंफ्यूज यू गाइस इफ आई डू एनीथिंग राइट नाउ। तो पहले अपन ने एक व्हीकल वाला क्लास बनाया, उस व्हीकल वाले क्लास के अंदर अपन ने वी हैव जस्ट क्रिएटेड वन व्हीकल क्लास, and that vehicle class is being now the parent class of our base class, child class, that is car. okay, ये कार के अंदर अपन ने और थोड़े एट्रीब्यूट्स डाले, सो वी हैव डिफाइंड v1, इसी तरह से मैं c1 डिफाइन करूंगा। ओके, कार c1, okay, clear? Now c1 dot, when I'll do c1 dot, so what all properties are there? Airbags, right? So airbags is equal to 4. Clear? The same way I'll go specify one more thing, I'll specify c1 dot, और क्या है, model. Model is equal, it's a name, right? I'll write down Swift, SWIFT, Swift. Then c1 dot making year, let's say 2022. okay, अभी मुझे ये वाले एट्रीब्यूट्स भी फिल अप करने हैं। कौन से वाले एट्रीब्यूट्स? जो व्हीकल के अंदर थे। व्हाट ऑल एट्रीब्यूट्स? ब्रांड एंड इंजन सीसी। ठीक है, आई वांट टू c1 dot brand is equal to let's say MAR, it's Suzuki. okay, c1 ना, c1 dot, एक और क्या था, engine cc equal to what's engine cc is the integer, right? Well, how many cc engine it is? 200. I remember, I think 1998 some cc. That's it. Let's run this. It's running properly, fine, but I want to print all the details. Now see what's happening. As soon as I'm doing c1, जैसे ही मैंने c1 बनाया तो एक डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर क्रिएट हो गया। ओके, a default constructor is created. Got it? Clear? So you have inherited the property of the parent class. Are you guys understanding? समझ में आ रहा है तुमको? Are you guys understanding? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? क्लियर है कि नहीं है? क्या है बताओ यार? Are you guys able to understand whatever I'm doing? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? ठीक है, सो बेस क्लास की जो भी चीज़ें थी लाइक ब्रांड और इंजन, वो दोनों आ गया। ना इफ आई डू समथिंग लाइक c1 डॉट, बेस क्लास में एक था ना गेट ऑल डिटेल्स, इफ आई डू दिस, लेट्स सी व्हाट विल हैपन, क्या होता है देखते हैं। ठीक है, जैसे ही मैं बेस क्लास के अंदर गेट ऑल डिटेल्स करता हूँ, यू आर ओनली गेटिंग 2 थिंग्स, ठीक है, दैट इज सुजुकी 1998, बट ये गेट ऑल डिटेल्स व्हीकल वाले क्लास का गेट ऑल डिटेल्स है, तो इसको थोड़ा सा रीनेम करते हैं, गेट ऑल डिटेल्स। ठीक है, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ आई जस्ट गो रीनेम इट, रीनेम कर दिया सब जगह पे। अभी मैं एक और चीज करने वाला हूं, ठीक है, दैट इज I'll just go here and I will make void get all details। ठीक है, इससे कॉपी करूंगा थोड़ा सा कोड, कहाँ गया get all details का, I don't want to write it again and again। ठीक है, देखो कुछ भी एरर नहीं आ रहा। एक और लाइन था ना, क्या था, इंजन सीसी। Let's see if it works. Okay, let's see if it works. ठीक है, एयरबैग्स, 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 मॉडल, 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 मेकिंग ईयर, making year, making year. Clear? Done. So let's run this. अरे ये तो get all details आ रहा है. Get all vehicle details की जगह पे get all details. Okay. Now let's run this. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, see your all details are getting printed, but this method is in this method is in child class. मतलब child class के अंदर भी तुम parent class के attributes access कर सकते हो. Okay, inside child class you can still access the parent class stuff. Are you guys clear about it? So please tell me in the chat. So this is what inheritance is all about. So यही है भाई inheritance, and that's what. So you can do two types of inheritance. One is first, I hope that आपको inheritance क्या समझा. So you have got base class which is the parent class, and you have got a child class जिसका नाम है derived class. You have got these two. Now there is a basic thing, basic difference between base class. बेस क्लास पहले बना लिया, फिर उसको तुमने डिराइव्ड क्लास के अंदर you have entered the same details in derived class, and this is my program का stuff and all. Now there are two types of inheritance. One is multi-level inheritance. So what happens in multi-level inheritance, you have got one class. That class is now being used to derive my child class, one child class. Okay, पहले क्लास है, उसका चाइल्ड है, उसका भी चाइल्ड, ग्रैंड चाइल्ड. Okay, grand child is called with the help of child. So this is like whatever features you had in base class, you will get it in derived class also. Clear? In normal human being language, जो grandfather से father से तुम्हारे में. So 1 2 3. So that is basically known as multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Now what is multiple inheritance? What do you mean by multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance का मतलब क्या है? Multiple inheritance का मतलब ये है, you have got my class, it is now being used for my other like you have got one class, you have got another class, दो classes हैं, दोनों classes को मिला के एक child बनाना is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Okay, clear? I hope you guys are clear about it. ये बस दो inheritance अगर सीख लोगे ना, बस बहुत हो गया यार. I mean like you will be way ahead, and once you master this, then you can take this thing ahead. Okay, I wanted to actually code this entire stuff, but इतने टाइम में तो नहीं हो पाएगा इतना सारा कोडिंग. मैंने ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं किया. चलो 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 खींचते गया हूँ क्लासेस, और खींचूंगा तो तुम लोग मार डालोगे. ठीक है. सो माई चाइल्ड क्लास इज दिस थिंग. सॉर्टेड, डन, फाइन. So now let's just go one step ahead. एक स्टेप आगे जाते हैं. ठीक है. So now please explain me in the chat, what do you mean by multi-level and multiple inheritance? So please tell me in the chat. I'm still not seeing the answers. Multi-level और multiple का बीच का डिफरेंस बता दो फटाफट. Multi-level and multiple. Multi-level and multiple. What's the difference between the both? I'm looking forward to your answers. Fine. So you guys are kind of delayed in giving answers. So ये क्या है यार? हाँ ठीक है. So कैसा टेढ़ा है ये? ठीक है, जो भी है ओके फाइन है. चलो आगे चलो. Okay, so we have got these two things. Now one more thing that we have got is polymorphism. पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म का मतलब ये है कि सी you may be using a particular name of the method name in one class, एक जैसा. So in one particular class you will be having a method name some way. The same method name is being used in all the classes. Okay, all the classes, fine, all the classes. And when that happens, my animal के अंदर animal sound will be different. My pig वाला जो class है, यहाँ पे देखो, pig वाले class के अंदर animal sound it will be different. Dog वाले के अंदर animal sound it will be different. Yes or no? I mean, same name, the method name is going to be the same, but it is going to act differently in every scenario. Okay, okay, clear? Really good examples. No, it's not my example, it's W3 school ka example. Very good, nice place to actually start learning things and all. That's it, yeah. That's the basic difference. That's the basic difference that you have got. Okay, so see this, whenever you write down this particular program, right, action statement, the base class animal may have animal sound, but this will be making just the characteristic, okay, it will make sound. But in pig it will say vv, in animal it will say in dog it will say bow bow, right? So that's the very basic difference. If you want me to code it, I'll code it, but that's the stuff. Okay, clear? So yeah, if you know polymorphism means very simple thing. One particular function name or a method name can be shared by so many classes. It will act differently in each and every class. Okay, it will act differently in each and every class. Animal sound is one particular name. If I have to give you one more example apart from animal sound and animal wala class, one more example can be this, that you can have something like a CEO of a company is the head of the company. Got it? The CEO of an edtech company will be doing certain things differently. A CEO of a product, or say a CEO of a product-based company may do things differently. A CEO of a fintech company may do things differently in terms of like their daily ops and all. So I'm just giving you an example. But end of the day, they all are working. They all are working. Work is work. CEO is CEO. Fine. But they all are like working probably different. That's one real life example I'm just giving you. But coming to a problem statement again. So in case of when you have shapes, okay, so you have got different kind of shapes, like circle is there, square is there, rectangle is there. For calculating area in these all rectangle is there, then polygon is like polygon ki jagah pe hexagon, various other shapes are there. For each and every shape, calculating word area will remain same, but formula will change. Area of a certain area of hexagon formula will be different, area of square ka formula will be different, and circle ka will be different. Okay, so that's the basic difference. I hope that you have got my point. I give you 3 examples. One is this animal, second is you have got that CEO wala example. Third is area wala problem statement. So one particular method name, but various characteristics depending upon which class the method is in. Okay, so I hope that I have answered your questions. Okay, so समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? ठीक है guys, so that's what we have got today to cover, and nothing else apart from that. Tomorrow I wanted to do something like you know what, tomorrow I wanted to do something like क्या करना पड़ता है मुझे कल, मुझे ना कल कैंडी क्रश बनाना है, ठीक है, बट इफ यू गाइज आर लाइक यू नो आई डोंट वांट टू बाय बिल्ड कैंडी क्रश एंड ऑल, आई जस्ट वांट माय सर्टिफिकेट एंड ऑल, इन नेक्स्ट 15 minutes go to this particular website. Okay, refresh this, इसको refresh करो, just refresh this, and you will see a download certificate ka button here. Download the certificate and you will have it. But if you want to like attend my tomorrow's class, you will still get a reminder, that is let's build Candy Crush karke. So all the people who are interested in joining Candy Crush, you will get a button, you will get reminders, but the people who want certificates, you will just get a generate button here, just generate your certificate and that's it, done. So apart from that, if you want to join our upcoming courses, free courses and the paid courses, here are the links, just go and join. Tomorrow is Candy Crush, so no doubt about it. If there is any update, I'll tell you. अगर कैंडी क्रश का कुछ अपडेट है तो पता चलेगा तुम्हें, मैसेजेस में आ जाएंगे, don't worry about it. Now one more thing, all the people who want to become a full stack developer or a data scientist, okay, so for full stack web development, this is the program. For data science, this is the program. Click on the program and you will see all the details. Just go understand the program details and take things ahead. Okay, so that's what I will suggest for all the people who want to. Medakar is like, sir, you have said the person who is most active will get reward. 1000% you will get a reward. 1000% you will get a reward. Like not you, I mean like 1000% someone is going to get a reward. I'll do it tomorrow after proper like once the Candy Crush is finished. So you guys can see this video. This video talks about the entire full stack ka program ka pura details. Just go and check it out. Okay, that's one more stuff. That's it guys, so just check this whole thing, so nothing else apart from that, and I hope so. Can we do both Candy Crush and tic-tac-toe? See, Candy Crush itself is it's gonna take time, and tic-tac-toe is again, it will take some time. Now gamers, sir, I am in class 9, I have some skills, coding languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Django, Flask, PHP. Other skills, SEO of a website and YouTube video, managing, creating, and connecting database. Wow, good gamer Zoid. I don't know your exact name, but I actually look forward to your profile here. Hey, every one of you who are like super interested, as I said ना कि जो भी बंदे लोग interested होंगे to apply for a tech internship. So here is a tech internship ka opportunity for all the people who see that this is something of value and all. Just go and apply. So LetsUpgrade have LetsUpgrade applications are used by 3 lakh plus people every month, and out of that, front end, back end are the two different tracks. The process of hiring is very simple. You will get a LetsUpgrade HR team की तरफ से test. On completion of the test, if you scored good, you will get 5,000 rupees ka internship. If you have not scored good, still you want to give it a try, get into unpaid 2 months internship. You will be assigned a basic project for 2 months to test your skills. bonus if completed early. Once you complete the basic project in 2 months, you will have an interview with LetsUpgrade tech team, crack the interview and start earning 15,000 per month. Okay, why should you be a part of it? So these are the reasons for both. For applying, you can apply using this particular link. Okay, so all the people who are good at if you are good at MERN stack or like at least React और Node.js, जो भी तुम्हारे स्किल के हिसाब से, just go and apply and we will start taking it ahead. Okay, so I hope this part is very clear to every one of you. Okay, and share it with your friends and family members, whom you think can get benefited. Mohammad Ishaq. Sir, hi, I'm new student. Can you pronounce my name, please? Give me a hi name, Ishank. Hi, Ishank. How are you? I hope that you are good and doing good. Yeah, nice. Thank you for joining in the class. Tomorrow we will see. But after 15 minutes, check it out. Check out your this particular. कहाँ गया यार? By the way, one more new website is coming. Okay, that is Trainerpreneur and all. कहाँ गया? ठीक है, सी आपका जो इन डिस्क्रिप्शन यू विल सी वन सर्टिफिकेट के लिए लिंक है, सो जस्ट चेक इट आउट एंड to down for certificate also, that is the link. Just go to that link and we will be like, you will be getting your certificate right after 15 minutes max. Okay, chalo, bye bye, take care, and let's meet in our tomorrow's class. Okay, chalo, bye bye, take care guys. Tomorrow or whenever the Candy Crush will be done, I'll let you know, but अभी का तो तुम्हें सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा एंड कैंडी क्रश का देखते हैं. ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर.